guys, welcome back. It's Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Qikink with Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly use Qikink here to Shopify. Well, in order for you to use it, you need to install the official app for it. So we want to visit the Shopify App Store first. So at the bottom left, you want to go and click on Settings, and you want to go ahead and go to Apps and Sales Channel and click on Shopify App Store. Now from here on, you want to go ahead and search for Qikink here. So let's just enter the keyword Qikink and just press it on it or press enter. Now from here, let's go and open up the actual app. It will give you some details about it. So if you're sure that you want to use it in your Shopify store, just click on install here. And from here, it should redirect you to another page, which in this case is going to ask you if you really want to install this. So let's go and click on install. And from then on, it should give you the next page here, which in this case is going to ask you to set up a few things. So first, it's going to ask you a few questions. So in this case, you need to either log in or sign up with your Qikink account here. But typically speaking, that's how you use Qikink here with your Shopify store and how you add it into your Shopify store. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.